You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Hello and welcome. Today we're looking into some really insightful material.
Yeah, we've gathered quite a mix. Cutting-edge AI thinking, some timeless management wisdom.
All designed to give you a bit of a shortcut to being, well, really well informed.
Our mission, really, is to pull out the key insights, those aha moments.
We'll explore innovation, team growth, communication.
Exactly. Get ready for some rapid but thorough knowledge gain.
Okay, let's kick things off. There's this really provocative idea. Now you're thinking with portals.
Yeah,
This isn't just about, tweaking AI use, is it? It sounds much bigger.
absolutely. It's pushing past just making small improvements. The call here is to build AI native solutions.
AI native, meaning?
Meaning they completely replace old workflows, not just enhance them. That's how you get that step change innovation. It's like, forget making your car 10% faster.
Right.
Think about building a teleporter instead. It's asking how AI can create something totally new, something vastly better.
That's a powerful way to think about it. And we actually saw a real example, didn't we? How an AI-powered user onboarding agent more than doubled our activation rate.
Yes, that's portal thinking in action.
They didn't just optimize an old form, they got a 2x lift 2 times.
By making onboarding personal, scalable, all because of AI, it fundamentally changed the process.
Okay, so that's internal process. But this thinking also applies to connecting with people externally, right?
Definitely. Let's pivot to brands. We found this piece, WTF, is vibe marketing.
Yeah, that title catches the eye.
It highlights a big shift, moving away from just focusing on demographics.
Like age, location, that sort of thing.
Exactly. Towards emotional resonance. It's about the feeling.
So how do brands actually do that? Nail that emotional connection?
Well, it's about creating a kind of shared emotional world, building community around feelings, identity. And AI helps here too, not by faking emotion, but by amplifying human intuition to create these rapid, rich experiences. It builds real loyalty.
Like a shared inside joke, but for a brand.
Sort of, yeah. Skilled up with AI's help.
Interesting. Okay, shifting from external connection to internal growth. Buy back time to grow. This one talks about balance.
Balancing that push for growth with making sure your product is actually ready. You can't just charge ahead blindly.
So how do you manage that?
The article suggests using things like capability checklists and maturity models.
Okay, tools to kind of assess where you really stand.
Precisely. They help spot the gaps, align improvements with your go-to-market needs. It gives everyone, shared visibility.
So you can confidently aim high. Makes sense.
And tied into that is managing your managers. There's 5 principles for successfully managing managers.
Right, talks about skip leads, managers reporting to other managers.
Yeah, they're vital for scaling. They bridge communication gaps, spot issues early.
So what are the key principles?
Recognizing their unique role, being careful not to undermine their direct managers, and delegating smartly based on their actual readiness for a task.
Leading with clarity, basically.
Maximum impact.
Okay, communication keeps coming up. How to frame your ideas so they are heard. This suggests presentation is huge.
It really is. How you frame it can be just as important as the idea itself.
So how do you get buy-in?
Focus on how your idea solves the stakeholders' problems. Frame alternatives positively as better paths, not criticisms of what they're doing now.
That links to why technical PMs struggle with vision presentations, doesn't it?
It does. The advice there is focus on the why. Why does this matter? Not just the technical how.
And context over commands hits the same note.
Right. Just relaying orders without the why. Kills belief, slows teams right down. Context is key.
Okay, but then there's why your A/B tests are lying. That sounds alarming. Are A/B tests useless?
Not useless, but maybe often misinterpreted.
Hmm.
The point is, many tests fail because they're set up just for validation, like proving an idea right. Instead of learning, you get misleading results, missed chances to really optimize.
So the focus should be more on learning, ROI, using insights from past tests.
Exactly. Build on what you learned before. That's smarter data use.
Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Modern meditations, Dwarkesh Patel. This offers a broader view, right? AI, the economy.
Yeah, it's a great perspective. He talks about shifts, like from computer science towards media.
And his take on AI.
He values markets,
Yeah.
even with AI changing things. He sees huge potential in using current AI tools across, well, all sorts of traditional industries.
So applying the new to reshape the old.
Precisely. It's a wider look at the implications of all these shifts we've been talking about.
Wow, okay. We've covered a lot. AI innovation, vibe marketing, managing managers, communication, data.
It's a fast-moving landscape, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And understanding these different angles, these insights, helps you not just react, but maybe anticipate what's coming.
Applying knowledge for real impact.
That's the goal.
So thinking about all this, here's something for you to consider. What established practice or maybe assumption in your world, your work, what could benefit from being totally reimagined with that portal mindset we started with? Something to chew on until next time.
You've been listening to The Vocal Technologist. Tune in next time.